How is it, Ifa?
Really good. Like the layers, I can't believe it's so good.
It's really good. It's amazing. You should definitely make this.
Guys, did you like my last video? Because I liked it. And did you subscribe, like, and share, and click the notification bells? And you know, I'm feeling a little bit hungry, so I'll tell my mom to make something sweet. And I'll go for coffee cake. Yeah, I'll tell my mom to make coffee cake with me. So let's go and ask her if I can. I'm walking to my mom's kitchen so I can make coffee cake with her. Mama, can I make coffee cake with you?
No.
Mama, say yes because I'm making a video.
You're making a video. Okay, let's go.
So my mom says I can make coffee cake with her.
But first you have to go wash your hands.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna leave because I have... Mama, now I'm done washing my hands. Can we start now?
Come. Yes.
Hey, guys.
We don't say hey guys. Assalamu alaikum.
Oh, yeah. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kasim's kitchen. We're gonna make coffee cake. As you can see, we already put the cream in.
Mm-hmm.
So, we have to put the coffee things in.
Okay, this is cream, approximate 500 ml. And we are going to put 2 tablespoons
Tablespoons of this coffee.
coffee. Can you mix it, Ifa?
As you can see, it's really big spoon, so
And
need a
we are
big
going to add sugar
for the taste.
according to your taste. It's okay. Keep on mixing.
My mom just add the whole bowl.
Too much sugar?
That's a lot of sugar.
Too much sugar.
You know, after this you can taste it and adjust according to your own taste.
And if you want to taste it, that can be fine. Because if you taste it, then you will know if it's good or not. That was a really quick mix. Let's taste if the sugar is okay. It's good. Mama, can you help me mix?
Sure. Mix it properly.
Now it is mixed now. And look, Mama, it's so satisfying. And viewers, it's so satisfying. I love it.
Even I like it. But now we have to put it in the fridge for half an hour. Okay? And then we are going to set it in our dish. So let's put it in the fridge.
So guys, it has been in the fridge for half an hour and it's really cold. So Mama, what do we do next? And why is this water here?
Now we are going to take cold water, add some coffee to our cold water. Okay.
And then I think I have
Then-
to mix.
Yes.
Mama, what are you making?
We're making coffee cake.
We are making coffee cake.
Oh, okay.
Arush, quiet. We are making a video.
Oh, that's so cool. Can I join?
Okay.
Hey guys, it's me, Arush.
Why are you here?
I want to tell you guys about my channel, as I have a channel. It will be linked in the description down below, and I do lots of DIYs, crafts, and challenges, and it's way more fun over there.
What's your channel called?
Arush Abuzar.
Now this one's very yummy and that one might be fun.
Yeah. You can subscribe to both. It'll be better. The better, double, the more better.
The better, the more better it gets.
Oh, really? Okay, let's set. So, Arush, why don't you help us? Since you're here, just help us.
Sure.
Okay?
You know know what's easy about this cake is that it's a no-bake cake and it's very, very easy to make with just a few ingredients, and all you have to do is let it chill in the fridge for a few hours and it's all ready to eat and it's delicious.
First we
And
have to
it's
put
all for all of like huge kids and tiny kids. So you don't need to bake it with your stove. You just need to
Yeah.
put it in the fridge and then
no hands burning, nothing. Just put it in the
Nothing.
fridge and it's ready.
You just need a little bit help from your parents and you're all good to go.
Okay, now take some tea biscuits,
and
dip,
we put it in the coffee thing.
yes. Dip it properly.
I will.
Yeah. Don't leave it for a longer time in here.
Or it will break.
Yes, very good. Okay, you can even break the biscuit to fill in the sides. And these are regular normal tea biscuits. These are not the ones salted or any other kind of. It's normal tea biscuit. You can take any tea biscuit. Now I'm gonna put a layer of our coffee cream. You have to spread it out evenly, and then like now I'm done with the layer, so I'm going for the next layer of the biscuits. Dip them in properly and
Mama,
place
can
them.
we help you?
Yes. So now that I'm free, I can eat biscuits.
Mama, you're supposed to do the work as well.
Yeah.
No, I said I'm free. You guys are doing.
It's with parents.
Yeah, and that's not fair.
You guys are helping me out.
Yeah,
That's
Mama's
very good.
eating on the job.
Mama's definitely eating on the job. If she eats, I'm finished.
Okay guys, so we are going to do the final layer and we are going to come back with all of it completed with 2 layers of biscuits, and then we're going to put the cream for the final setting.
It's the final cream.
Yes, now we are going to put
The cream.
Okay guys, so as you might remember, as I mentioned earlier, to subscribe to my channel, it's Arush Abuzer, and please turn on the post notification bell and stay tuned for every videos that I post every single Friday, and there are challenges, funs, games. She might also be in one. You want to be in one? Yeah. So please remember to subscribe, and now let's move back to the coffee cake.
spread it out evenly.
So we're spreading it out.
Yes.
Mama, can I have the bowl to lick?
Oh, I can give you the bowl later, but can you sprinkle some coffee on top? Yeah, sprinkle it this way. Make something, whatever you want.
Like cupcake?
Cupcake? Just sprinkle it around. Okay, now it's going in the fridge for 2 hours or maybe more.
What?
Let
2
it set
hours?
and then eat.
I can't wait.
You can't wait, but you have to wait. Take your bowl.
Yay.
Wow, this is ready.
So there you go. It's now set.
How long did it take?
Approximate 2 hours to 3 hours, or you can, if you want to leave it overnight, you'll get the best result.
So do not forget to subscribe, like and share this video, and do not forget to turn on the post notification bell to get notified each time that we post a new video, and also subscribe to my channel, which is Arush Abuzer. And yeah,
It's time for tasting. Do subscribe, like and share our video.
And don't forget to click the notification bells.
How is it, Ifa?
Really good. Like the layers, I can't believe it's so good.
It's really good.
it's amazing. You should definitely make this.
Yes.
It's
Okay, signing out from Kasim's Kitchen. Allah Hafiz.